This right here is a shed ramp that has been sent to me free of charge for this review, and this is going to allow you to get anything with wheels up into your shed very easily. So this one right here is the 29 by 24 and has a max weight capacity of 750 pounds. It is very easy to put on your shed. You're going to be able to just lay it on there, or you're going to be able to screw it in with the screws that they provide so it doesn't have a chance of moving. With the size of this, it does also have a 12.7-degree angle, which is going to make it very easy on your tires based on what you're putting into your shed. It's not too much of an incline that it's going to be difficult to get whatever you're placing in your shed inside. So I was really happy to receive this shed ramp because, as you see, we don't have any sort of ramp, so anything that has wheels that we would have to put into the shed, we'd have to pick it up. But now we're going to be able to roll stuff in and roll stuff back out very easily. So if you don't have a shed ramp like us, then I would recommend looking into this shed ramp to get your things with wheels in and out of your shed very easily.